Ravi Agarwal. I'm the founder director of Toxics Link. It's an environmental group which works out of New Delhi. Toxics Link works on areas of environment, but specifically on areas of waste management and pollution and toxicity. We got involved in this because we found that this was a big problem in cities, that waste was not being managed properly. People did not know how to do it. When we started out about 16 or 17 years back, all kinds of waste was mixed. The city had waste from households, from hospitals, from industry, all mixed together and thrown in a landfill. And as you know, this waste can be very dangerous to health. Normally, waste pickers, we have, for example, in a city like Delhi, over 100,000 waste pickers who would be picking out what they want from that, such as plastic and paper and metals. And while they're doing that, they can get really hurt or get exposed to chemicals. When we started in 1994, we started working with local communities of waste pickers. We started trying to get the waste pickers to become part of household systems, where in residential colonies waste was being thrown out. We helped the waste pickers come in as people who would then collect the waste and segregate it and take away the plastics and compost the rest of it.
Our garbage collector goes home, house to house, kitchen to collect their garbage. First few years, they helped us in many ways. They were giving us solution, that EM solution, uniform for the garbage collector, gloves, shoes. They provide everything for us. Actually, Toxic Link shows us the way how to convert this garbage into the compost.
Because the system became very popular in many cities in the country, and many people started adopting that, we then started to see how to improve that and make it like a national model. And we documented it, and we made a model which anybody could use. Simultaneously, we were also working in hospitals, trying to get them to segregate the waste so it doesn't go into the main municipal bin. And again, we started working at the ground level, working with the nurses and the doctors and the medical people. And we brought out the first manual in the country called Managing Medical Waste. How do you manage medical waste in a hospital?
Toxic Link has been with us for last 20 years. The impact is tremendous because now people are quite aware of what is HIV, what is mercury, and people have started wearing protective gloves, protective gears when they work on.
Over the years, our base work has been on the ground, but it's also moved up because it got recognized in policy, then it became part of legislation making. There was almost no legislation on waste when we started out. Today, almost every waste stream has legislation on it, and we have been part of all those processes. Currently, we have now about 6 national laws which deal separately with municipal waste, medical waste, industrial waste, electronic waste, battery waste, lead acid battery waste. Now also we're working a lot of doing on mercury and mercury waste. The work we do, of course, started in Delhi but has expanded all over the country. And we also work with many groups around the world in many networks, and also provide information to other developing countries who have the same context as here. When you look for solutions in a place like Delhi, you have to ensure appropriate solutions here, because this situation doesn't exist anywhere in the world. No country is going through a 10% growth rate. Economic, such a lot of change, a lot of poor people, and everything's coming to cities. And so there are no models anywhere. I can't take a Paris model and saying it'll apply here, or I can't take a Bangkok model and apply here. You have to really think of what models will apply here. So creating the models which apply here, which will be applicable to other developing countries, I think that is also something we are very keen to do.